Ang probinsyano star Coco Martin has consulted with Senator Lito Lapid about his possible foray into politics in 2020. This was revealed by Manila Economic and Cultural Office Chair Lito Banayo in his Manila Standard column. It happened when Coco visited Lapid in the Senate. Banayo said Coco was planning to run for mayor. Lapid advised him to seek a Senate seat instead. Coco and Lapid worked together in the Kapamilya TV series Ang Probinsyano. Lapid played the character Pinuno before he ran for senator in 2019.
Thank you for watching Politiko TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.